Managing Test Anxiety for GMAT and GRE Success. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of test preparation, managing test anxiety. Whether you're gearing up for a retake of the GMAT or GRE, or even if you're taking it for the first time, handling anxiety is pivotal for peak performance. Test anxiety isn't just a buzzword. It's a real phenomenon that affects many test takers worldwide. It's that uneasy feeling, the rapid heartbeat, or the blanking out when you see a difficult question. The first step to conquering this anxiety is understanding its roots. It often stems from fear of failure, past negative experiences, lack of preparation. Knowledge is power. Recognizing the cause can lead you to effective coping mechanisms. Your body and mind are intrinsically linked. Physical well-being can pave the way for mental clarity. Here are some strategies. 1. Regular exercise. Even a brisk walk can release endorphins, your body's natural stress relievers. 2. Deep breathing. A few moments of focused, deep breathing can calm your nervous system. 3. Healthy diet. Food fuels not just the body but also the mind. Consume a balanced diet and stay hydrated. 4. Get ample sleep. Rest is essential for cognitive functions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours the night before your test. While physical strategies lay the foundation, mental strategies build the structure. 1. Positive self-talk. Combat negative thoughts with positive affirmations. 2. Visualization. Visualize your success. See yourself answering questions with ease and confidence. 3. Practice under timed conditions. Familiarity breeds confidence. The more mock tests you take, the less intimidating the real test becomes. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Grounding exercises can anchor your focus and alleviate overwhelming feelings. It's game time. Here's what you can do during the exam. 1. Start with a mini meditation. A minute of deep breathing before you start can set a positive tone. 2. Pace yourself. Keep an eye on the time, but don't let it dominate your thoughts. 3. Break questions down. If a question seems complex, break it down. Focus on one part at a time. 4. If overwhelmed, take a short break. Use it to refocus. Remember, a brief moment of composure can make all the difference. There you have it. Strategies to help you navigate the choppy waters of test anxiety. Remember, it's perfectly natural to feel anxious, but you have the power to control and overcome it. Best of luck on your GMAT or GRE journey. We believe in you, and hope this video aids you in your quest for success.